Guys, we got a 2010 Audi Q5 V6, and we're changing the starter on it today. And now, if you guys know about this starter right here, it puts up a fight no matter what, because you got to take out the engine mount, alternator, just plastic stuff over there. Just all the plastics, everything over there. You got to jack the engine up a little bit to get to that top bolt, but guess what? They said it's a two-person job. They said the job's going to take, Audi even quotes 48 hours for this job, and guess what? I just knocked it out in about 2.5 hours. So right now, we got everything about to go back in. We got the old starter out right here. Look at original starter, crusty baby. We got her up out of there. I'm about to get that cute joint up in here. Cute joint looking right here. Look how cute she look. She ready to go up in there. So we're gonna get this cute joint thrown up in there, and we're gonna be finished and get out of here. All right, stay tuned. We throwing a new starter up in the Q5. So first up, we got maneuver her in there. Get shoved back like that. You got a little bit of a long arm to get that guy in there like that. Get the little baby in there. Don't be afraid of no little dirt or nothing. Now we got to set up like that. All right, I'm gonna push her all the way in off camera.